Hello everyone, Balaji Palni here, Vedic Math Guru and mathematician. I've got 5 MCQ questions from class 10 CBSE trigonometry. Quickly, we will start doing this. If sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then the value of tan theta is. Options are given. I'm just giving you how the working will be. So, we tan venu and we can see cos present in 2 terms. So, we'll divide throughout by cos theta. So cos theta will divide by now sine by cos plus cos by cos is equal to root 2 cos theta by cos theta. So you will have tan theta plus 1 is equal to root 2. Therefore, tan theta will be root 2 minus 1. So இதுக்கு இவ்வளவுதான் டைம் ஆகும். இன்ஃபேக்ட் நீங்க ஓரளவு கூட பண்ணிடலாம். You can just pick the option and move on to the next question. So next one is value of sine square plus 1 by 1 plus tan square. We know the identity 1 plus tan square is secant square. And secant square is the denominator. 1 by secant square will be what? Cos square theta. So it comes to the numerator as cos square. So you will have sine square plus cos square after applying the identity and simplify, which we know that is 1. So we'll move on to the next question. Value of sine 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sine 30. Sine 60, if you are good with the values, you can just quickly substitute this. Sine 60 and cos 30. In fact, ரெண்டுமே ஒன்றுதான். Sine 60 and cos 30 both are same. Similarly, cos 60 and sine 30 are one of the same. So you will get 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 1. That's it. Next question. Sine theta is x, secant theta is y. Find cot theta. So we know that cot theta is cos by sine. Cos theta is cos theta. Secant cot theta is cos theta by sine theta. Secant கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So secant is what? 1 by cos theta is what? Secant is 1 by cos, which is y. We want cos, so cos theta is nothing but 1 by y. Cos theta is 1 by y. Interchange these places or you can cross multiply. So cos theta becomes 1 by y. So substitute the value of cos theta here, 1 by y. And sin theta in the denominator, sin theta is x. So 1 by xy is cot theta. And the final question, 1 plus cos into 1 minus cos is 3 by 4. Find the value of secant a. So here this is of the identity a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is 3 by 4. So now what you can do is 1 minus 3 by 4 is cos square a, which is nothing but 1 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4, which is cos square a. So cos a is plus or minus 1 by 2. Don't forget that plus or minus 1 by 2 is cos a, which is square root of 1 by 4. But we want secant a, so secant a will be plus or minus 2. See you all in another video. Take care. Practice really well. Bye bye.